Hello, Gigi here. So this morning, we're going to make French toast. So what are our ingredients? Of course, the tasty bread, 1 can condensed milk, butter, 2 eggs, salt, and cinnamon powder, which is optional. So get a bowl. Put in the whole can of condensed milk. Okay, simutin lang natin yung contents. Then, we put in the eggs. So, mix until ma-fully ang egg. Then we put in a little salt. Then mix again. Okay. So this is our mixture na. It's so simple. So dito natin i-dip ang bread. So how to cook? You put in a little cube of butter sa pan. So let it melt. Then, we dip the bread dun sa mixture. So fully coat the bread with the mixture. Then, put in the pan, melted butter. So be careful lang. So low heat para hindi masunog. So same process, dip the bread, then put in the pan. So simple. Okay. Let's wait until slightly toast on one side of the bread. Hindi pa siya ready. Okay. So flip para yung other side naman ang ma-toast. Then kung mapapansin nyo kung dry na yung pan, you can add butter. Okay. So we will repeat and do the same for the entire pack of tasty bread. Okay. Masarap tong French toast na to. Yung lasa niya parang cinnamon roll. Medyo on the sweet side siya kasi condensed milk. Okay. So, repeat lang until ma-toast natin yung buong pa. So, for the last touch, before serving, we put in a dash of cinnamon powder. So, there you go, our French toast. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.